Now we will discuss question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Heading of the question number 4 is solve the following equations. Our heading is solve of the following equations. Means this equation we have to solve. Means we have to find the solution of the given equation. See here, first question. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Here multiplication and addition both given to us. So first we will solve addition. See here, 10p plus 10 is equal to 100 plus 10 means we have to subtract 10 from both sides. So see here, subtract 10 from both sides. Subtract 10 from both sides. So 10 we have to subtract from this side and then this side. So see here, 10p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 100 minus 10. This 10, this side I subtracted and this side also. See here, 10, 10 cancel. It means 10 minus 10, 0, or we can cancel. So this side only 10p left. Is equal to 100 minus 10 then 90. Now 10 and p relation is multiplication. So here we can divide by 10. Why we can divide by 10? Because 10 and p relation is multiplication. So we can divide by 10. So divide by 10 on both sides. So 10p, this side also divide by 10 is equal to 90 divided by 10. 90 divided by 10, 10p divided by 10. 10, 10 cancel and 10 9s are 90. Means this p is equal to and 9. So p is equal to 9 is the solution of the given equation. Now checking. See here, checking. For checking we have to write equation. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Now p is equal to 9. So instead of p we can write 9. So 10 multiply 9 plus 10 is equal to 100. P then 9. Now 10 9s are 90 is equal, 10 9s are 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. Now 90 plus 10 then 100 is equal to 100. Now 100 is equal to 100, same thing, means LHS is equal to RHS. So P is equal to 9 is the right solution of the given equation. Next, 3p divided by 4 is equal to 6. Here 3 and p relation is multiplication, p and 4 relation is division. P and 4 relation is division, so we can multiply by 4 to the both sides. Why we can multiply by 4? Because p and 4 relation is what? Division. So multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 on both sides. In this side also 4 multiply, this side. See, 3p divided by 4. This side I multiply by 4 is equal to 6 multiply 4. This side also 4 multiply, this side also 4 cancel. So 3p only left. So 3p is equal to 6 multiply 4. Now 3 and p relation is multiplication. So both sides we can divide by 3. Why we can divide by 3? Because 3 and p relation is multiplication. So we can divide by 3 on both sides. So divide by 3. Divide by 3 on both sides. So 3p divided by 3 is equal to 6 multiply 4 divided by 3. See here, this 3 cancel, 3 2s are 6. Means p is equal to, this side p only left, is equal to 2 multiply 4 then 8. Now p is equal to 8 is the solution of the given equation. Now we have to checking. Checking, we can write equation 3p divided by 4 is equal to 6. Now instead of p we can write 8. So instead of p we can write 8 because p is equal to 8 already we identified. So 3 multiply 8 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 3 multiply 2 left. So 3 2s are 6, is equal to, then is equal to, and this 6. 6 is equal to 6 means LHS is equal to RHS. So P is equal to 8 is the right solution of the given equation. Now see here, P divided by 4 is equal to 5. P and 4 relation is division. So we can multiply by 4 on both sides. So multiply by 4 on both sides. So P divided by 4, we can this side I multiply 4 is equal to, then is equal to 5. This side also multiply by 4. 4 cancel. So P is equal to 5 4s are 20. Checking you can do yourself. Now P is equal to 20 is the solution of the given equation. Now 3s is equal to 0. 3 and s relation is multiplication. So we can divide by 3 on both sides. So see here, 3s divided by 3 is equal to 0 divided by 3. This side also divided by 3. This side also divided by 3. 3 3 cancel. So s is equal to 0 by 3, then 0. Now checking of the equation you can do yourself. S is equal to 0 is the solution of the given equation. Now next question. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Here multiply and subtraction both relation given to us. So first we will solve subtraction and then we can solve multiplication. Here minus 6 is given. Minus 6, then we have to add 6 on both sides. So add 6 on both sides. So 2q minus, then minus 6, then 6. Now 6 I can add is equal to, then is equal to 0 plus 6. See both sides 6 we add. Now 6 and 6 cancel because minus 6 and plus 6 cancel. 6 minus 6 then 0. So 2q is equal to 0 plus 6 then 6. Now 2 and q relation is what? Multiplication. So we can divide by 2 on both sides. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So 2q, this side also divide by 2 is equal to, then is equal to 6. This side also we can divide by 2. 2 2 cancel. So q is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So q is equal to, then is equal to 3 only left. Now checking. For checking we can write equation 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Q is equal to 3 already we identified. We can write instead of q we can write 3. So 2 multiply 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 3 ja 6. This minus this 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. 6 minus is equal to 0, 0 is equal to, and this 0. 0 is equal to 0 means LHS is equal to RHS. So Q is equal to 3 is the right solution for the given equation. Next, 2Q plus 6 is equal to 12. Here multiply and addition both relation given to us. Means first we will solve addition. Here plus 6 means we have to do minus 6 on both sides. Or we can say subtract 6 from both sides. So subtract 6 from both sides. So 2q plus 6. Now subtracted 6 this side is equal to 12. This side also subtracted 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Or we can write 0. So this side only 2q left. So 2q is equal to 12 minus 6 then 6. Now 2 and q relation is what? Multiplication. So this side we can divide by 2. So see here 2q divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 and q relation is multiplication. So we can divide by 2 on both sides. This side also divide by 2. This side also. 2 2 cancel. 2 1s are 3. 2 3s are 6. So q is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Now checking you can do yourself. So this is the normal explanation of some questions which are related with simple equation. I hope you can understand this.